62, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not.
6.5. Is it not a torque now?
Well, it does look like a torque, but the torque was useless. Wouldn't go in. Yeah. Now it's.
Yeah, now it's around.
Now
it's around torque.
A little smaller. It's really well seated in. Yeah. Do you want to leverage? Just get a lever on there. Show you. There you go.
Come on. Appreciate it.
I'm not at all like wanting to do
itching. No. It's terrible to watch somebody do something. It's the longest bolt in the universe.
It is actually. I noticed that. I blame you.
I suppose it's got a lot of responsibility.
Yeah, it really does. It holds the back wheel on.
It keeps everything. This is where it really happens.
There we go. Ooh. There we go. So, this I wanted to see because this is a very important component.
There's tissue paper if you want.
Doesn't look damaged in any way. There's no teeth damaged. Ask some people, but there we go.
I think we're in a good place there.
Yeah, I mean it looks clean. There's no rust inside. That looks really quite encouraging, and it feels smooth. There's no. That's hopefully that's a good sign.
So what are you taking out now?
The shaft.
The shaft. Yeah. Gonna shaft it.
Okay.
Have the inspection.
Turn around.
No, near you.
There you go.
No.
3 fingers.
Yeah, I'm 3 fingers dilated. Look at that.
Look at that. And it looks... this looks like recent oil to me, hey?
It doesn't look old.
It does not look old at all. It does not look 38 years old.
No.
Look at that. That's beautiful. But then what would I know?
Yeah, I mean, make me educated.
Perfect.
Educated guess.
That looks... even smells nice. You don't...
I got this one on the first try.
Yeah. 9 sockets later.
Let's socket to them. I'm gonna hit my hand. Look at that.
You need be careful, you're going to hurt your hand in there.
Not there.
There you go, good job.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm like supportive.
Very supportive.
Okay. So instead of going gunk, we'll just do this. What do you say?
I'm here. Do you want me to tap on this side gently?
I don't know if it's that big. I don't know that it goes all the way through.
Okay.
You'd think it would, eh?
Well,
there we go. Yeah, it's a small little thing. Yes. Also in good condition.
Yeah. Look, unless something's out of alignment, the steel doesn't...
Well, you'd think it would corrode and be rusty. But,
not when it's embedded with oil and not exposed to the environment.
Okay, so what happens on that side now?
I don't know. Hey, this is my first time.
Yeah.
To position
Oh,
it.
look at that. The whole thing comes out.
The whole thing.
Ah, nice.
Very nice.
Okay, I think the whole thing's going to fall out now.
Well,
Look at that.
ooh. That is beautiful.
That's very dirty.
Yeah, we'll clean that.
So something fell in.
No, I think what you'll find...
The bearings, there's no movement in the bearings.
Where's the other bag for this?
Let's feel the bearings.
Let's stay
So
together.
this bearing feels a little raspy. We might be in for bearings here.
Yeah, this is a cheap hobby.
Cheap, but yeah, I'm so over buying bearings, to be honest. Okay, put that down there. We're not finished.
You have to find the bearings.
Put it down there.
Go.
Do it.
Doing it.
Okay, so let's just discuss the center stand. A lot of guys take the center stand off completely because they don't like it.
You mean this?
Remember, it also leans on the one side, so all the oil collects in the end. That's why it smokes. That's why it's got a center stand to keep it in the center. But I've got things to hook them into to keep them upright.
I see what a lot of the guys do is just buy those wheel wheel holders.
Yeah, that's what I've got.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So I think we can take it off.
Let's take it off.
Let's take it off.
The aesthetics as well, it's not
Doesn't
pretty.
really fit, hey?
It's not a pretty thing.
No.
It's very functional.
Okay, let's see if we can get it off then.
Yeah.
Okay, one spring is off. Two spring.
Offspring.
Offspring. Offspring. Off. Okay.
Okay, now the thing. Here's the thing. Just to the environment. Whoa!
Right.
The river runs brown.
Save the white ones for the really dirty stuff. Ah, so this is the gear position sensor, I think, in the... That's what this cable is.
Oh, okay. And that's what we connect the thingy up to.
Yeah. Off. Hey, the whole thing just fell off.
That's the name of the podcast.
Okay.
The fourth bolt.
Okay, well that's quite cool because it's like a thing. We're doing good, Daryl.
Hey, man.
So we're going to take the bell housing off next.
Yeah. Oh, you're going to video me doing it successfully.
Oh, there you go.
First time.
10th time, just saying.
No, first time. It's on video. Pictures or it didn't happen.
Yeah. I think we need to tape this up. I wonder if
I could just see what I'm doing.
Let me help you there.
Thank you there.
I might just do it then,
Let's just call it a shared
If
initiative.
it wasn't for your elbow, I had it done already.
Mile.
What's implying?
Excellent. I'm a dude.
Okay, we're going to hopefully this will all slip through there.
Well, I think we've got the advantage of this being...
I mean, what else could be going into the gears?
Exactly. It's not like it's the fuel... Sensei. Oil. Okay.
Okay, so Daryl is celebrating the fact that he took it out when I wasn't around, while I was making him coffee. Just saying. Well done, you. Okay.
Okay.
Put it over there.
Oh!
Almost squeaky in your wrist.
It's so clinical.
Yeah, it just wiggles off. Boom!
It was less wiggle than I was expecting.
Me too. And it's flipping heavy.
Put it there.
Here's the entire gearbox. Yes, I'm going to clean you.
There it is.
There it is.
Thing of beauty.
Yes.
Clutch is actually a brilliant invention.
It really is a clever invention. I don't think my clutch looks better than other people's clutches I've seen.
Oh.
I wonder if it's...
Clutch envy. Clutching at straws.
I've got clutch envy a bit. Now, how do you know if your clutch is okay?
Ask it. Clutch.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Tell me about your mother.
It does then. This one is cleaning a lot better than the engine block, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's coming up really nicely. Still lots of work, but it is coming up better.
Okay.
What are you doing?
And not the default. Isn't that what you wanted?
Yeah. Just asking what you're doing.
I'm trying.
Talk about being sensitive. What are you doing? I'm doing exactly what you said.
Oh, quit.
Alright, so next time, Daryl,
Yes.
what are we doing next time?
Um,
We are turning this, we're going to drain the oil.
yes.
We're then going to we're going to try and paint it, and I'm going to take it to the engine guy.
Why don't you do an experimental paint on one of the pieces we've cleaned today?
Yeah, I'm going to.
And then
I will.
And then we can just get a sense of what it's going to look like.
Yeah.
Movie, not too bad.
Thank you for your help.
Yeah, you're welcome, man.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye now. See ya.
You're still enjoying your bike?
I love my bike.
Yes.
I want more bikes.
Yeah.
I do love my bike.
There we go, the new thumper.